Let's go night night. Come on. Let's go to Come on. Levi. Bye bye. Let's go night night. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go night night. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go night night. Wait. Hey guys, so oh my god, so today was the first time they slept in their bed. Today is Memorial Day, so I let them take a nap in their bed in their room, and they went right to sleep. So first time sleeping in their toddler bed, and let me turn this down, hold on. So that's the first time today that first time ever sleeping in toddler beds, y'all. And they did great. They slept from about 12 p.m. to 3 something, which is their normal nap time. Either they sleep from 12 to 3 something, or they sleep from 1 to 4. And so they did really good. And when Lenix woke up first, and he popped up and he just got to playing. He started playing with his toys. I'm like, hallelujah. I was watching him on a video camera, and then Levi kind of woke up and he was kind of like, my toys. So anyway, tonight I'm gonna go ahead and let them sleep in their beds tonight. And it's almost emotional because it's like this is the first night sleeping away from them. And it's not just like another room, it's like distant wise, you know. So yeah, it's a bit emotional. It's a bit just like scared, you know. So we'll see how this go. I do have the monitor. I'm about to get I put it in the room. So I'm gonna get the monitor. I'm gonna fold some laundry. I'm gonna wash another load, or dry another load. I think it's my last load. Dry. I have a video that I'm actually just finished uploading for y'all, my haul number 2, and hopefully I can get another video edited tonight, and that'll save me some time for like during the week, because I have so many videos to put out for y'all. So anyway, I hope y'all having a wonderful Memorial Day. Everybody sleep, and like I said, I'm about to finish editing some videos. We were supposed to do a sit-down video about the house buying process, but oh my gosh, y'all, moving in, it's just so much. And so we had so many things to do, and by the time we got done, it's like the day's over. And in the midst of that, you're dealing with 3 kids, you know, trying to get everybody lunches, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, you know, playtime too. It was just a bit hard. And plus I had to do my hair. I had to take those locks out my hair, and then I did an overnight deep condition. I didn't want to get on camera looking a mess. So I'm pretty sure what we'll do is probably on this Friday, we'll probably do that. We'll probably go ahead and do a video or whatnot, which that video may be up before this video, or vice versa. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see. We did our first mukbang today. Is that how you pronounce it? Mukbang. We did our first one. We did it with the kids, and we did it for breakfast, and we will definitely do more with just me and hubby. I think those are funny and fun, so we'll start doing some of those. So we have a lot of new things coming. Also, I have to find a new camera. This camera here is just not giving me life right now. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'm about to watch me some adult TV. Adult. I am tired of watching Coco. I am tired of watching Trolls. I am tired of watching Baby First. I am tired of watching, what's the other ones? It's just so many. I'm tired of watching them. Tired of watching them. Motown Magic. Actually, Motown Magic I like because when the song come on, I'm singing too. So if y'all have not let y'all child watch Motown Magic, look at that. That's on Netflix. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go, and I will holler at y'all later. I hope y'all enjoyed. We just wanted to show y'all, well, I just wanted to show y'all how I get both of them up the stairs now that they're super heavy. They know how to go up the stairs. I'm just afraid of them coming down. That's the thing. So we don't have the top gate up just yet. We had to order another piece. Hubby and I are gonna do a video on how to do that because we forgot to do a video about this one. And we set that one up together yesterday, and it's perfect. And so before we let the boys run around upstairs, we definitely want to get it baby proof and also put the gate up. So we will be doing a video on that. The piece is coming out, I think, on Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on Friday, I guess we'll go ahead and put it up Friday or Saturday morning and stuff like that. But for the boys' room, I do have, like I said, the camera. I do have a noisemaker. They had to use mine. I guess I'll just go buy me a new one because LeBron has one. They have one. I don't have one. But I don't need one right now until I get kind of used to them sleeping in the room by themselves. Also, I do have the the doorknob thingy, the thing where they can't turn it off or whatever. So I got that on there. I got their light on to their closet. I also got the light on in the hallway. So once I know that they're asleep, I'll turn this light off, but leave their closet light on until I get them a good night light. I haven't seen any that I really like. Like I don't like the little one, the little bulb, and it's like a barely a spotlight, because they'll go and pull that out the wall, you know. So I have to definitely find something a little better. But anyways, let me go. I have probably about an hour and a half to do me. So I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye. However, you know, we're gonna tell y'all about ours and what we went through.